Alright, so for this one, you're just going to start with an E minor, set your index finger on 2nd fret of A, middle finger 2nd fret of D. And you're going to need to do a lot of palm muting. I mean, you don't have to do that, but it's going to add to it. So if you just karate chop right by the bridge, you get kind of a muted sound. So you're going to be doing a lot of lifting your hand off and then setting it down and getting the muted sound. If you can't do that, don't worry about it. Just do everything kind of open, like alright, so just don't worry about the palm muting if you can't get it. But I'm going to go ahead and do it just to try to get the sound kind of right. So this whole strum pattern is based off of a very sort of like galloping swing rhythm. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, slow down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's very just swingy. It might be kind of hard to understand, hard to get, but let's just give it a shot. So you're going to start on that E minor chord, and you're going to do 2 up downs in a row. Up, down, up, down. Then you're going to go down, 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 down. You're going to walk up that low E string. Okay. So you're walking up to a G shape. So your middle finger is going to now set down once you walk up to that 3rd fret of the low E with your middle finger. You're going to set your ring finger down, 3rd fret of B, pinky 3rd fret of high E. And this is going to get you a G chord, but we have to be prepared to hammer index finger down on 2nd fret of A. So it's going to be like, so one more time, a little slower. So notice I'm going up, down, and then when I come down, I strum, then hammer index finger down on 2nd fret of A. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so right after you do that, strum with the hammer on the index finger 2nd fret of the A in that G chord shape. We got to go up to a C chord now. So we're going strum, and then you're going to go, so you're going to strum up, then you're going to let middle finger off, strum down, hammer back to 2nd fret of A. So that C chord is index finger, 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 3rd fret of A. And you're gonna strum down, up, down, up, down. So we got down, up, down, up, down. Then you're going to take that shape, slide it up so that your index finger is in the 3rd fret of the B, middle finger's 4th fret of D, ring finger's 5th fret of A. And then you're just going to drive it out, down strums. So here's what we got. Repeats that. Alright, so let me try to slow that all down for you a little bit. So we got one more time. Alright, then there's a section that goes something like so this is following some pretty basic chords. Again, we're doing the E minor. We already went over. Then you're going to go to a D. Okay. Then you're going to go to a C. We already went over that one. And then A minor. And then back to C. So the strum pattern, I'm just simplifying. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you're going to start on that E minor, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, down, down. So hopefully this lesson was helpful for you. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.